friends, welcome back to my channel. So again I'm back with my DIY series. I do a DIY series continuously because I have planned in my mind how I want to decorate a complete space. So you have been seeing that if you follow my channel, you have been seeing that I did certain DIY which I implemented on my office makeover, home office makeover. So even now I'm bringing up certain new DIYs which I will be implemented in my living room or in my bedroom. So yes, I will not say much of it without wasting time. Let's get started with it. And I start this video, you know the drill. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For today's DIY, I'll be using this cardboard box which has come along with the TV. So for this, I will just frame out the layout. So I will be cutting out 3 triangles for which the perpendicular height would be one of 60 centimeter, next is 40, another one is 20. So see, if you see here, the triangles are already cut out, and I will just make it as a canvas. So for that I'm using bukram pasting. You will get that easily in any fabric store, and I got this for 90 rupees meter. Now the one side of this fabric has a shiny finish, so the colors won't stick much on the shiny finish, so we will be using the plain side. So I'll be making sure the plain side stands out on the upper side and the shiny finish in the inside. So with the help of a glue and sellotape, I'll secure it nicely so that my canvas is ready. So for this, I am using my all-time favorite glue, Allfix, and try to secure it neatly so that the ends do not have any loose ends. All the 3 canvases are ready now. For the fluid art, I have got this kit from Amazon. So this is the aqua kit. It has 4 colors: Persian blue, aqua blue, white, all the things which are related to ocean colors. And you would be needing some paper cups to prepare the color. So these colors do not mix with each other, so according to the pattern you just need to pour the colors to the paper cup like this, one after the other, and it will give a beautiful effect. Now you can think of any designs like a mountains or any waves. So for this one I am creating any zigzag pattern on the first canvas board which you are seeing. Once the color is poured on the canvas, I am just spreading it with the help of a dryer. This is all up to your imagination and creativity. You can select any pattern and the final outcome is always pretty. You can see all the colors are almost showing up in a single pattern, so it's giving a beautiful effect of oceanic view. My small triangle is ready. Now I'll move on to the next one, the medium size. For that I have thought of making waves on it, not of much patterns on it. So the plan is to have the maximum patterns on the small and the larger ones and the minimum on the medium one, so that it would give a complete look and not making the space entirely build up. So you see, I'm just pouring it as waves on it, and how beautiful the colors are spreading. See, you can see all the colors are almost visible now once I have started using the dryer. Now my medium canvas is also ready. It's time for the last and final piece, the larger one. And for that again I'll be drawing certain patterns which will resemble the first one. So to start with, I'll again make some waves on it so that it has a similar pattern that of the medium one. And again, once the waves are done, I'll make some patterns which would be more similar to the first one. So let's roll on to the process and you will see how this turns out. Once done, you can try to secure this with the use of varnish, and you can just apply one coat of varnish and let that dry for again 24 hours. So again this fluid art also needs to dry for 24 hours at minimum, because it becomes sticky as it has a different layers, and if you place any fingers, so you will see the colors are coming out. So it's best advised that you leave it for 24 hours to rest and dry. And once that is dry, if should you wish, you can apply a layer of varnish to seal it. With this addition, I have done that since I will be placing this on white painted walls, and this kind of would have a similar white background with the white background in the canvas. So for that I'll make an additional borders to this, which I have not filmed because it is up to you. If you wish, you can do it. So what have I done? I have used copper gold acrylic paint, and I have drawn up lines on the edges, and after that I have painted, which gives a pattern of frame. So it would give a visual effect that it is framed, but actually I would have painted this. I have not filmed that because it's totally optional. If you have a colored painted walls on which you are trying to place this arch, so it would look beautiful without the borders as well. I hope you enjoyed this making of the fluid art, and if you're creating this in any way, if you're recreating and making canvas boards at home, or you're trying this fluid art, if you want to share your pictures how it have turned out, you can always DM me on my Instagram account. I'll be putting that ID here. Three canvases are ready now, and as you see that I have painted the borders with a golden copper color, and now I'm just putting them on my living room. So I have placed that on living room using double-sided tape, and it has entirely changed the living room area look.
अगर चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और इस बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए, सब नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल पर।